Okay lah.
Look who's here. Look who's here. This is my sister. This is Audrey, our new family member.
She's Lim also.
Because her surname is also Lim. And behind the camera is... Okay, who is that? She's no one. She's just yeah. Mandy and Audrey will be here for a week. Almost a week. 5 days only. So less than a week. So Mandy, explain the itinerary.
What? It is going to be fun. That's it. My itinerary is so long.
Today we're going to
Water rafting.
water rafting.
Right?
Where are we going for water rafting?
Where? You don't know.
Where?
Where?
No Singaporean slang here. Where are we going for our rafting?
That's so scary one.
Kiulu.
My face is scary.
The lens.
Oh, the lens is so scary, right? Now she knows how it is like to be vlogging in front of a camera. Where are we going to raft, babes?
It's at Kiulu River Bag.
We're gonna have breakfast first. Right, we finally arrived at our destination. We were kind of lost earlier because there were a lot of signs which were kind of misleading to us, but we made it. This is the river. Woo! We can't wait to enter the river. The first group is here already though. Pedal or die. It seems kind of harsh, isn't it?
No, it's fun.
It's been a while since the last time we came. Me and my family came and do some rafting here in Kiulu. If I'm not mistaken, it was like 20 years ago, or when I was 6 or 7 years old. That's a long time. And I can only remember a portion of it. Like, it was exciting. Hopefully today I'll feel the same way as I did back 20 years ago. Babes, have you ever did rafting before?
No, it's my first time.
Oh yeah? What do you feel like? What do you think is gonna happen today?
I think somebody's gonna, what do you call that?
Capsize?
Capsized. Oh no.
Are you excited?
Excited and scared.
Hi Audrey, have you been rafting before?
Once in Bali.
Once in Bali, how was it?
Sucks.
It sucks.
This is good. She's shy. She's shy.
Shaky. Oh man, don't drop. I wonder how many people are allowed on the bridge at one time. So far there is 4 of us. This bridge is the new one. That's the old one, I think. Because that one looks rusty. Rusty bridge. Bless rusty bridge. Are you scared, Mende? My sister is afraid of heights. As long as it is a bridge and there is height, she is afraid of it. Okay. Mind your step. Adidas Kampung won't stand this. Look at that. There's the river. Looks calm. We're about to raft on this river. Maybe going down that side. Briefing. We need to go briefing first. Then we go rafting. How's the spectacle strap working on you?
Good.
Good.
It's good.
You see how you do.
Specialist sudah nih.
Okay.
Terbaik. Thank you.
You have to take off your helmet.
I have to take off my helmet first. Which one? Pink color. I'll take the pink one.
I think.
Excuse me. You're not in the water yet.
Oh, sorry. I thought
Your boat should be there. You're still on land.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Are you girls ready?
Yes.
Yes, you ready?
Already.
You ready? It's time to go. Huh? There goes the first group. Bye. They didn't say bye. Bye. The rocks slippery.
Yeah, some loose.
Some are loose. In we go. Alright. Our guide is Mr. Apa tuh sudah?
Adri.
Mr. Adri. Mr. Adri. On we go. Woohoo!
So, makeup okay.
All your makeup. Makeup ready. Pictures taking over there. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Okay, we're going in. Okay, we're going in. Whoa.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, that's nice. Forward, guys, forward. 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 Pedaling with one hand.
Wow.
Means I'm not doing anything.
You're useless.
Those three boats are at war. Fight. You ready to slam them in there? You ready?
You ready? I'm ready. Bring it on.
I'll slam them. Let's aim the middle boat. Oh man! Splashing us with water. The water is so cold. Hello! Bye bye! Oh my eye! Not fair, 2 against 1. 3 against 1. 3 against 1. Wow!
Shower. That was fun. Wow. What the?
Okay, we listen to our expert guide today on the best tips to come to Kiulu River.
Okay, hello. So, kalau kamu mau datang sini kan time hujan selalunya bulan 12 lah. Bulan 12, bulan 11 jam tuh kamu datang sini. Memang kita start dari atas sana level 2.
Level 2. This is
Bulan
level 1.
6?
Bulan 11, 12.
11, 12. So November and December, come during that time for the best experience of your life.
You will start at level 2.
Level 2. Today is just level 1.
Chase.
Go hard. Chase after them. Don't stop rowing.
Don't stop.
Go. Go.
We are surrounded. We have been surrounded by them. Help!
We have
been surrounded. Help!
Come on, Sabahan, try. Sabahan, try.
Singaporean help us. Ah! Splash them! Splash! Splash them! How did I end up here? How did we fall? The water's so calm. And yet we fell. Hello. It's actually very shallow. But the current is pushing me. Hello. Come swim.
Come swim.
Lai. Come swim. Why I can't float?
Lift up your leg.
I have.
There you are.
My legs keep touching the water, the ground.
Okay, here is shallow.
Very shallow. Oh! I just hit my. It's so shallow. Whoa! What the? So shallow. Look! Look at this. I can't float anymore. Body massage. Oh man. Not a good not a good idea. I came for rafting, not body massage. Hello.
Sabah rocks.
Sabah rocks.
Pina colada.
Jump. Say again. Your turn. Andrea first. Do it yourself first. Pull and jump. Yeah, pull yourself. Come on. Next.
I'm gonna fail. Oh yeah, nice. Oh my.
Oh, sorry.
Like enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull and push your body up.
Bye, Audrey.
Bye, one, two, go.
No, you have to pull the string.
Oh yes.
Then the two girls will pull you up.
Then you like twist to the top. Yeah. Like a tuna fish. We call it. Bye.
Man overboard! Man overboard! See ya! Failed. She failed to push me. I am a strong elephant. Bye! No! Oh no! Do myself. You got it.
It's lamb, it's chicken, it's egg, it's pumpkin, and then
We just had our shower, refreshen up. So after this we're gonna head back, have a little rest a while, and then proceed out to our dinner.
So now we're heading back home. We need to rest before our dinner. Wish the weather was like this when we were rafting because it was so hot just now.
because this timing kan, it'll be rougher.
Bulan 12, bulan 11 jam tuh kamu datang sini.
Awesome.
That kan? The dried butter part. It's supposed to get Hello.
What about the rafting this morning?
The rafting,
Is it a success?
success 80%.
Bye, Zach.